Welcome to Test Your Brain Knowledge Quiz. We have 40 questions for you today. Think you can get them all? Let's go. Question number 1. What is the longest river in the world? The answer is Nile. Question number 2. Which element has the chemical symbol U? The answer is gold. Question number 3. Who wrote the epic poem Paradise Lost? The answer is Milton. Question number 4. What is the capital city of Australia? The answer is Canberra. Question number 5. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? The answer is Mercury. Question number 6. Which painter is best known for his work Starry Night? The answer is Van Gogh. Question number 7. Which country is home to the ancient city of Petra? The answer is Jordan. Question number 8. Who is known as the father of computer science? The answer is Turing. Question number 9. Which mythological creature is known for turning people to stone? The answer is Medusa. Question number 10. Which country is known for the landmark Eiffel Tower? The answer is France. Question number 11. What is the chemical formula for table salt? The answer is NaCl. Question number 12. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? The answer is lion. Question number 13. Which city hosted the 2016 Summer Olympics? The answer is Rio. Question number 14. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? The answer is diamond. Question number 15. Who is the author of the book 1984? The answer is Orwell. Question number 16. What is the tallest mountain in the world? The answer is Everest. Question number 17. Which famous scientist developed the theory of relativity? The answer is Einstein. Question number 18. In which year did the Titanic sink? The answer is 1912. Question number 19. Which element is known for its high electrical conductivity? The answer is copper. Question number 20. Who painted the Mona Lisa? The answer is Da Vinci. Question number 21. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? The answer is Mars. Question number 22. What is the most populated country in the world? The answer is China. Question number 23. Who is the Greek god of the sea? The answer is Poseidon. Question number 24. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? The answer is carbon dioxide. Question number 25. What is the largest mammal in the world? The answer is blue whale. Question number 26. Which natural disaster is measured with the Richter scale? The answer is earthquake. Question number 27. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? The answer is Shakespeare. Question number 28. Which Italian city is famous for its canals? The answer is Venice. Question number 29. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located on? The answer is Africa. Question number 30. What is the currency used in Japan? The answer is yen. Question number 31. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood throughout the human body? The answer is heart. Question number 32. Which city is known as the Big Apple? The answer is New York. Question number 33. Who developed the first successful polio vaccine? The answer is Salk. Question number 34. What is the main gas found in Earth's atmosphere? The answer is nitrogen. Question number 35. Which French fashion designer is known for the little black dress? The answer is Chanel. Question number 36. Which natural satellite orbits the Earth? The answer is Moon. Question number 37. Which celestial body is known as Earth's sister planet? The answer is Venus. Question number 38. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the UK? The answer is Thatcher. Question number 39. Which country is famous for the historic landmark, the Colosseum? The answer is Italy. Question number 40. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? The answer is liver. That's it for today. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more quizzes.